Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what happened with Bitcoin today. And for this daily close, we're gonna see what we might get next, of course, for tomorrow. So basically, we still after this potential W, X, and a wave Y. This wave Y can be, of course, kind of like a zigzag here with a short wave C. After we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C, very likely for a finished wave Y. And in this case, of course, you're still in a potential impulse in case that we are in a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, because of the wave 2 is very, very short in time, I would say this wave 4 is somehow kind of like a little bit impossible. However, after this 3 waves that we have here, in case it is a wave Y there, we got an impulse. And this impulse is a very likely a signal or an answer what we might get next. Unless, of course, we take the 79,392, because this is our exact confirmation in case we are looking for something for higher. And that means if we are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 3, wave 4 is not allowed to interfere with this zone 1. Because your impulse is unfinished, of course, and we might require this. So, of course, a wave 5. However, the wave 4 here, if we alternated with this wave 2 is very deep. Therefore, the wave 4 should not push for higher in case, of course, we are still in this impulse for bearish. In case that the things will continue for higher on the 1 hour chart here, where we are looking already for an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 correction. And if this is going to be the end of the wave C, meaning A, B, and a C, since we are looking for some weakness and overlaps here, that means, of course, this is a diagonal there as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 ending diagonal finished. And we're looking for something for lower. And that means the wave 4 can be very likely finished just like that. And that we are pushing, of course, for something for lower to hit our red zone area that we are looking for minimum target 0.3873K719. And that because in case we are in a macro level a little bit more bullish, meaning if the price comes to this area, testing this area, and we got a signal of strength, meaning 5 ways up, 3 ways down, breaking the high, this is a confirmation that the things are changing here for bullish in double 1, 2, and another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means, of course, something very, very bullish that it might be unfolding over there for Bitcoin, guys. So by all means, a higher probability is, of course, toward the downside. We're still, of course, in a bearish impulse, especially that you took, of course, the zone 1, meaning if you are in a 1, 2, 3, wave 4, interfered with zone 1, invalidation, unless this will transform to several 1, 2s, guys, and then pushing for higher from the 0.38. By all means, I'm still looking anyway for this area, even if we are bullish. Therefore, lower prices are still expected. Now, of course, I'm not saying that the wave 4 is totally done. Of course, it can be something much more deeper, I would say, even that we see some signals here, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe nobody knows. It's going to be just the wave 1 here, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, even without invalidation, it still can be possible, meaning a larger zigzag, ABC. Now, if you want to be a little bit much more precise here, it can be the following scenario as a potential 1-to-1 fib level, where it is exactly at the invalidation. Now, if the invalidation is taken, I have no other option, of course, rather than invalidating, of course, the impulse toward the downside. However, don't forget that a zigzag has also an uncommon target, 0.618, which is not taken yet. And that's why I'm still doubting, of course, that 100% this is done in a very short wave C, because even if it is a short wave C, it should enter this area, guys. It should take the 0.618. By all means, it still can range somehow before pushing toward the downside and then finishing, of course, a much better zigzag and then looking for this $73,719. So as a conclusion, guys, I'm still looking, of course, for something for lower in general for the red zone. Now, of course, I'm not gonna put of course some targets here, but it's a key level. It's a key level here. It's not a target. It's a key level, meaning, of course, the price can range in this area before we push down again for the red zone. And then from there, we're gonna take it, of course, in case it is bullish, then we need to see the signal that we talked about it. In case bearish, then it should be broken and we simply continue for a new low, where we saw, of course, in the daily. Please go back to the daily where I explained, well, I'm going to explain it just very fast. So basically, if we are on the daily here, we are looking then to this potential shallow bear market, which it is a potential W, X, and a Y, and you have another three ways up here as a W, X, and a Y, meaning A, B, and a C can be very likely unfolding, or even it can be a larger three ways, meaning a structure of three ways everywhere, like three ways here, three ways there, and three ways down, finishing up this large WX and a Y, and hitting, of course, the red zone, which required 0.3856K. And from there, we start to think about a new bull run. But we cannot think about a new bull run before taking this area, guys. Now, the level here, plus the timing, of course, is very, very essential. Yep, that was it, the daily close for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.